Welcome to a typical installation of a Litecast upper floor system. Similar to the ground floor system, the beams are offloaded by the delivery vehicle's high-ab crane. A mobile crane will usually be required on site for the installation of beam and block floors. The beam lengths are written on the tops of the beams. Multiples of beams are lifted and landed on the safe bearings. The installers will then move the beams along the bearing. Starting from the setting out point, shown as a triangle on the drawings, the centres of adjacent beams can then be established. For the purposes of setting out, a block is usually laid at each end of the span to ensure the whole span of the layout works. The final positioning of beams in upper floors typically require the installer to stand on the same level as where the floor beam is resting. When blocking out, infill blocks should be of the lightest type available within the specification required for the properties of the finished floor. The landing of these blocks should be on the bearing of the beam or on the outer third of the span and be positioned as close as possible to the laying positions. At the end of each row of blocks, a block will have to be cut to fit. Bed in the slip bricks along the bearing walls. Ensure the correct strength and density blockwork is used within the wall. In the case of where different occupancies occur, for example between flats, a separating floor is required. This uses a similar process, however the robust tray tiles aid resistance to sound penetration whilst adding to fire resistance. All joints are grouted, and in the case of the tray tiles, a lean mixed concrete is used to bring the level up to the top of the beam. The following day, the floor can be used as a working platform. The majority of the shots on this film would suit most intermediate floor requirements.